That is a big fish.
Whoa! People have died in pursuit of this treasure.
We found more treasure in that day that has been found in the last 30 years.
My name is Alicia Bixler, and I own a bee removal business. I come across all different kinds of situations. I'm getting stung, dirty, I'm covered in honey, but I wouldn't have it any other way.
This is Christian. He'll be shaking things up for us tonight. Nextdoor offers up 11 unique signature cocktails, all using premium ingredients.
Tarpon on!
All right, divers, welcome to Key West.
We love being outside, where the air is fresh and the adventures are many. Whoa! Do you see that?
Right now, the paradise we know and love is being threatened like never before.
We are way better than this.
Join me as I meet the men and women fighting for our future.